Hi, I'm Rusi with Ninja Green in Los Angeles, and I'm going to show you how to trim a hedge. What we have here is we've got some ivy that's become a little bit overgrown, and clearly I need to come in here and trim this down. So there's a couple different ways I can approach it. What we at Ninja Green like to do is we like to avoid using any gas-powered equipment, so I have here an electric hedge trimmer. It's not corded, so I won't accidentally cut the cord. It's just got a battery, it's battery operated, and it's adjustable, so I can reach higher and change the angle if I need to. And what I'll do is I'm going to look at the hedge, and one of the things you want to do when you're cutting a hedge is don't just jump in and start cutting away. Cut a little bit, take a step back, see how it looks, come back in, trim a little more. It's really hard to untrim something that you've already done, so it's better to be safe than sorry. Just go in, trim what's really obviously sticking out or where shape, get it to the shape that you think you want. And like I said, take a step back, look again, and take your time. So I'm Rusi with Ninja Green in Los Angeles, and this is how you trim a hedge.